Okay, I'm gonna open this package I ordered from Wish. I think it's a belt or something. I hope it's a belt. Maybe it's a... I don't know. So we're gonna take this and open. I'll be back. Okay, I open up now and see here. Gonna help out here. This is how the belt looked like. I ordered. Things nice. Little gold imitation or something, what you can call it. Seems smooth. Gonna pause and we wrap it up. So this is what it looks like when I take all the plastic. Well, I have some plastic here, I guess, protecting. It's nice, stylish. That's just some heat marks or cold marks from a plastic. Seem pretty good or solid, I guess. So I can definitely recommend to buy this belt. I think it's neat. Thank you.